Living in Kendall means enjoying beautiful weather, vibrant neighborhoods, and the perks of South Florida living. However, it also means preparing for hurricane season every year. Strong winds, flying debris, torrential rain, and sudden pressure changes can put your home at serious risk. That's why hurricane windows are not just an upgrade in Kendall, they're an essential investment. If you're a homeowner in Kendall, here's why installing hurricane windows is one of the smartest decisions you can make. Protection against flying debris during a hurricane. Everyday objects can become dangerous projectiles. Branches, roof tiles, patio furniture, and loose debris can strike windows with tremendous force. Traditional windows are not designed to withstand these impacts. Once broken, they leave your home exposed to wind and rain, significantly increasing the risk of structural damage. Hurricane windows are built with laminated impact-resistant glass. This glass consists of multiple layers bonded together with a durable interlayer. Even if the outer glass cracks upon impact, the inner layer holds the pieces in place, preventing shattering and maintaining the protective barrier. This design helps protect your home from sudden breaches during severe storms. Preventing internal pressure damage. When a window breaks during a hurricane, wind can rush inside and create internal pressure. That pressure can lift roofs, damage walls, and lead to catastrophic structural failure. Hurricane windows are engineered to withstand both impact and high wind pressure. By remaining intact, they help maintain the structural integrity of your home, reducing the risk of extensive storm damage. For Kendall homeowners, this added protection can make a significant difference during hurricane season. Meeting South Florida building codes. South Florida has strict building codes due to its high hurricane risk. Hurricane windows are designed to meet or exceed these local requirements. Installing code-compliant windows ensures your home is properly equipped to handle severe weather. It also simplifies inspections, renovations, and future resale. For homeowners planning upgrades or preparing to sell, hurricane windows demonstrate that your property meets modern safety standards. Enhanced security year-round. While hurricane protection is the primary reason for installation, hurricane windows provide year-round security benefits as well. The same laminated glass that resists storm debris also makes forced entry more difficult. Unlike standard glass that shatters easily, impact-resistant glass remains intact even under heavy force. This added security provides peace of mind for Kendall families, whether you're home or away. Energy efficiency. In a warm climate. Kendall's hot and humid climate means air conditioning systems run frequently. Hurricane windows often include energy-efficient features such as double-pane construction, insulating gas fills, and low-E coatings. These features reduce solar heat gain and help maintain consistent indoor temperatures. By minimizing heat transfer, hurricane windows can reduce strain on your cooling system and potentially lower energy bills. You get both storm protection and improved comfort in one upgrade. Noise reduction benefits. Living in Kendall can mean dealing with traffic, neighborhood activity, or seasonal storms. The laminated glass in hurricane windows also helps reduce outside noise. Many homeowners notice a quieter indoor environment after installation, an added benefit that improves everyday living. Insurance and property value advantages. In some cases, installing hurricane windows may qualify you for insurance discounts. Because they reduce the risk of storm damage, insurers often view impact windows as a protective upgrade. Additionally, hurricane windows increase property value. Buyers in Kendall understand the importance of storm readiness and are often willing to pay more for homes with built-in protection. A necessary investment for Kendall homes. Hurricane season is an annual reality in Kendall. Preparing your home isn't optional, it's essential. Hurricane windows provide critical protection against flying debris, wind pressure, and water intrusion. They also improve security, energy efficiency, and comfort throughout the year. For Kendall homeowners, installing hurricane windows is more than a home improvement. It's a proactive step toward protecting your home, your investment, and your family when it matters most.